Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Joyce Park and I'm a board-certified dermatologist. I'm here today talking to you about the bareMinerals Skinlongevity Long Life Herb Eye Treatment. This is a really cool product because it's powered by Long Life Herb, which is actually a plant that is sourced from Okinawa, Japan. It's rich in minerals and also antioxidants, and it really helps strengthen your skin barrier. It also contains niacinamide, which can help improve your overall skin radiance. You just take your ring finger, because that is the right amount of gentle pressure to apply, especially to the sensitive under eye area. And you basically just apply it right here in the under eye area, and you can also go up a little bit, because we tend to get wrinkles in this area as well. It can visibly reduce wrinkles, as well as improve dark under eye circles. And you can do this morning and night. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.